Wait, is this
Don't
a big
worry.
military tunnel?
Yeah, that's the three-way tunnel.
I didn't know about that one.
Oh yeah, it's huge.
Hey, it loaded.
It's cool. I'm dropping right on the roof of the apartments in the prison.
We are way outside of circle.
Are we really? Fuck.
You are.
I know, I'm even farther out. But I found a level 3 vest.
Fuck. Pick up. No, wait, that's mine.
I got bullet lops.
Just drop those.
Bandages, frag grenade. Hail to the Yizzle.
Fuck yeah, Scar.
I think we can make shooting range.
Don't.
Oh, level 2 helmet.
Oh, I heard
Oh,
shots.
dude, crossbow. Hell yeah. Get fucked.
Okay, I just killed 3 guys.
Seriously?
Yes.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
I heard the shots.
No, that wasn't my shots. I ran them over with the truck and beat them, the other 2 with a crowbar.
Fuck yeah.
Fuck you, man.
Oh, level 3 helmet.
I need a bandage now, though, so it's gonna be a minute before I come pick you guys up.
Where are you?